10 rules sa pag-iipon. Mag-ipon bago gumastos. Let's say your net salary is 20,000 pesos, your savings is 2,000 pesos, and your budget for expenses is 18,000 pesos. Magkaroon ng ipon goal. Let's say your target savings is 50,000 pesos, your monthly savings is 2,500, at ma-achieve mo to in 20 months. Gumamit ng hiwalay na savings account. Your monthly savings, let's say, is 2,000 pesos, and your savings in 1 year na hiwalay ang account is 24,000 pesos. Mag-ipon tuwing sweldo. Let's say savings every payday is 1,500 and savings in 1 year is 18,000 pesos. Huwag galawin ang ipon sa once. Let's say ang gusto mong bilhin is 5,000 pesos, hindi mo ginalawang ipon kaya protected ang savings mo ng 5,000 pesos. Kunin ang kita sa side hustle. Let's say your side hustle income is 5,000 pesos per month and savings in 1 year is 60,000 pesos. Ipunin ang bonus o tax refund. Let's say your bonus or tax refund is 10,000 pesos. Inipon lahat, so ang savings added is 10,000 pesos. Dagdagan ang ipon kapag tumaas ang sweldo. Let's say your salary increase is 3,000 pesos per month, dagdag savings is 1,500 pesos per month, so ang savings in 1 year is 18,000 pesos. Ipunin ang natipid. Let's say your monthly savings mula sa pagtitipid is 1,500 pesos, so ang savings mo in 1 year is 18,000 pesos. Gawing habit ang pag-iipon. Let's say your monthly savings is 2,000 pesos, so ang savings mo in 5 years is 120,000 pesos. So again, these are the 10 rules sa pag-iipon. Thank you so much for watching.